Hi there, my name's Manoj, Krishna. I'm a spine surgeon, and I want to tell you a story today about a young lady who fell off a horse and fractured a T6 vertebra. As you can see in the arrow there, there's a crushed fracture of the upper end of the T6 vertebra, and she's had this pain for more than 6 years. We treated her with a procedure called a vertebroplasty, where we inject bone cement into the vertebral body, and you can see here the cannula in the vertebral body and the blob of cement in the body. And you can see this on a different view, on the lateral view on the X-ray. And what the cement does is strengthen the vertebral body and reduces the pain. Here's Sophie in her own words. Morning, Sophie.
Morning, Miss Krishna.
Okay. Sophie, let's start by asking you how old you are.
34.
34.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're talking today about a problem you've had in your upper back in the thoracic spine.
Yeah.
So tell me a story about that.
I had an accident about 6 years ago and I fell off a horse.
Okay.
And as I fell off, it kicked me in my back and I had two crushed fractures.
Yes.
On a T4 and a T6.
Yes.
And then for 6 years, the pain's just got worse and worse.
And the pain is sort of between the shoulder blade area.
Yeah, and it's like when you breathe. And before I couldn't take a deep breath, and you'd go to take a deep breath, and then it's as if something's stopping you, and I couldn't breathe. And it's the same if you got full or ate a lot, I had difficulty breathing, and the pain was just horrific. It was horrible.
Did you have trouble with your arms as well?
I had trouble with the left arm, and I got a lot of pins and needles. And then I got sciatica.
In your left leg? Okay.
In my left leg,
okay.
yeah.
And what treatment did you have for those 6 years?
For 6 years I had physio. I went to different doctors. I had injections in it, which they didn't help. I tried swimming, which was no good. I tried every possible exercise they told me to try.
Okay, and then we did this... we did an MRI, it showed the fractured vertebra, T4 and T6. And I think we've done the vertebroplasty. Where did we do this, where we injected the bone cement into the vertebra?
Yeah.
When was that now?
That was September. I think it was September.
Last year?
Yeah.
So about 6 months ago.
About 6 months ago.
Okay. So tell me how you're doing with that and your progress from that.
Well, when I had it done, it felt worse than it did before, and now after it's settled down, and now it's absolutely fantastic. I can eat, I can breathe, I can do anything, and the pain is just gone.
How long did it take you to recover from the vertebroplasty?
I'd say about 4 months.
Okay.
About 4 months.
Okay, that's a little longer than normal, but you know, you've had the problem for a long time, for 6 years.
Yeah.
So you don't take any painkillers for that pain anymore?
No, none for that pain, no.
All right. Thank you very much, Sophie.
Welcome.